Ever wondered how AI systems like GPT or AlphaFold can solve problems that once required human expertise? The answer lies in a revolutionary approach to machine learning called transformer models. Today, we're diving deep into the architecture, math, and real-world applications of transformers, because understanding them isn't just technical, it's essential for anyone curious about the future of AI. For decades, neural networks struggled with sequences. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and their variants like LSTMs process data step by step, but they faced limitations in parallelization and long-range dependencies. Then, in 2017, Google's research team introduced the transformer, a model that abandoned recurrence entirely. Instead of processing text sequentially, transformers use self-attention mechanisms to weigh the importance of every word in a sentence, regardless of position. This breakthrough allowed models to scale dramatically, paving the way for today's language giants. Let's break down the core components. At the heart of a transformer are attention heads, mathematical operations that calculate relationships between words. Imagine a sentence like "the cat sat on the mat." The model doesn't just process cat then sat, it asks, how does cat relate to sat? How does mat influence the entire phrase? This is achieved through query, key, and value matrices, which transform input embeddings into contextualized representations. The multi-head attention layer then aggregates these relationships, while feed-forward networks refine the data. Finally, position encodings inject sequential information, compensating for the model's lack of inherent order. Let's get technical. The self-attention mechanism computes a weighted sum of values, where weights are determined by the compatibility between queries and keys. The formula is attention QKV equals softmax, QKT slash square root DKV. Here D, K is the dimension of the key vectors, and the softmax ensures attention weights sum to 1. But transformers don't stop there. They use scaled dot product attention and multi-head attention to capture diverse relationships. For example, one head might focus on syntactic structure, while another detects semantic roles. This parallelism is why transformers outperform RNNs in both speed and accuracy. Transformers aren't just for language. Their ability to model complex relationships has revolutionized fields like computer vision, e.g., vision transformers, and drug discovery, e.g., AlphaFold. In bioinformatics, models like ESM2 use transformers to predict protein structures by treating amino acids as sequences. Even in time series forecasting, transformers outperform traditional methods by capturing long-term dependencies. The key takeaway: transformers are a general-purpose architecture for pattern recognition, not just language. Of course, transformers aren't without flaws. Their quadratic complexity and sequence length limits scalability, and they require massive datasets to train. Researchers are tackling these issues with innovations like sparse attention, focusing on relevant tokens, and efficient transformers, reducing computational overhead. Meanwhile, hybrid models combine transformers with other architectures, like CNNs or GNNs, to leverage their strengths. The future: more efficient, specialized transformers that democratize AI across industries. Transformers have redefined what's possible in AI, but their true potential lies in how we continue to refine them. Whether you're a researcher, developer, or curious learner, understanding their inner workings isn't just academic. It's a gateway to shaping the next wave of innovation. So the next time you interact with an AI, remember, it's not magic. It's math, attention, and a whole lot of computation. Thanks for watching. Now go explore, experiment, and push the boundaries of what's possible. Subscribe for more deep dives into AI research. Want to see how transformers are used in real projects? Let me know in the comments.